The most expensive jewelry brands in the world, 2022. Marilyn Monroe rightly stated that diamonds are a woman's best friend. There's nothing more extravagant yet personal than gifting or receiving any jewelry. From special occasions to important milestones, jewelry has been an important part of every home over the years. Let's take a look at the most expensive jewelry brands ranked by their net worth.
To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the button above this video.
Number 1. Tiffany and Co. $15.8 billion. The most famous and well-known brand on the list is Tiffany and Co., the luxury jewelry maker. Known for its timeless design styles, the brand greatly impacts pop culture and the elite class. The brand has been showcased in popular movies such as Breakfast at Tiffany's and The Great Gatsby. They include motifs as flowers and birds to create different forms of jewelry. Some more notable jewelry brands include Asprey London, Chanel, and Dior. While some of the names on the list are familiar, the rest aren't quite known since they are usually worn by the elite and famous. The list is a clear indication of the impact of European designs and how they have changed the outlook of jewelry over the years. Number 2. Cartier, $12.1 billion. Cartier is the perfect example of how classic pieces can be incorporated into creative designs. The French brand was established in 1847 and is amongst the royal jewelry brands for its unique and elegant designs. The Panthea is Cartier's popular muse that has continuously inspired pieces in its collections, as noted by World's Top Insider. The luxury brand is also known to produce watch collections, bags, and accessories. Number 3. Harry Winston, $6.6 billion. The King of Diamonds, Harry Winston, first launched the brand after his name in 1932. Most famous for their diamonds, every actress loves to wear Harry Winston while making red carpet appearances. Some of their most notable diamonds are the Hope Diamond, the Louis XIV, and the Indoor Piers. The House of Winston provides jewelry that is elegant and durable to stand the test of time. Number 4. Piaget, $6.6 billion. Known for its famous Swiss watches, Piaget first opened its operation in 1874. The watches were an instant hit and used by the elite class in Europe. Piaget expanded its business into fine jewelry and is considered one of the best brands in the world. Their designs are known to have an old Hollywood class and sophistication. Number 5. Van Cleef & Arpels, $6 billion. Created in 1896, Alfred Van Cleef and Salomon Arpels established their luxury jewelry brand in France. Due to its century-old history, it is also a favorite amongst the elites. Their thematic approach towards creating pieces such as Le Secret and Romeo and Juliet has become quite popular. As mentioned by Passion Buzz, the jewelry brand is best known for its top-notch gem setting technology. Their mystery setting is known to expose the diamonds at their finest. Number 6. Graf, $5.4 billion. Graf was founded in 1960 by Lawrence Graf under Kimberley Process. The British expensive jewelry brand is popular amongst the elite and famous. Unlike other brands known for craftsmanship and precision, Graf is best known for the size of the stones used in their pieces. Lawrence Graf was always keen to use large diamonds for his designs, continuing the same tradition. Number 7. Chopard, $1.7 billion. Established in Geneva, Switzerland in 1860 by Louis Chopard, the luxury brand is best known for its watch and jewelry collection. The House of Chopard uses the finest pieces of jewelry crafted with thick layers of 18-karat gold and high-graded precious stones. According to Finance Online, Chopard is known for details and precisions, making their designs more valuable. Number 8. Bulgari, $1.5 billion. Bulgari is one of the most well-known brands on the list for its watches, fashion, perfumes, and jewelry lines. Based in Rome, Bulgari combines elegant, sophisticated designs while including traditional touch to their work. The house's signature features are large gemstones, eccentric pieces, cabochon stones from 1960s Italian culture, and bold shapes. Additionally, the European jewelry maker only uses 18-karat gold for all the collections.